Are you locked out of your iPad like this? If yes, then worry not, as in this video I am going to show you how to reset an iPad without passcode using 3 simple methods. With these 3 methods you can reset any kind of locked iPad with and without using a computer, and that is coming up. As you can see here, I have an iPad which is stuck on this iPad unavailable screen due to too many wrong password attempts, and it can only be unlocked by resetting it. So let's start the resetting process with our first method. Alright, our first method is using a software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called Any Unlock, which you can get from the link given in the video description below. The name of the software is Any Unlock iPhone Passcode Unlocker. It says iPhone, but this software also works with iPad. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing, open it up. Once open, there will have a lot of options, and if you click on more tools, you will have even more options that you may find useful. In order to reset your iPad without passcode, click on unlock screen passcode. Click start now. Next, connect your iPad to computer using your USB cable. Once connected, you will see the screen on your computer. Once you are here, click on iPad tab, and from this list select your iPad. So in my case, my iPad is iPad mini 6. Now all you have to do is put your device into recovery mode by following the instructions provided by the software. Since I am using iPad mini 6, so I have to press and hold volume down button and power button together. Just keep press and holding these 2 buttons if you are using iPad mini 6 like me. All you have to do is get your iPad into this screen. Now on your computer, this page will show up. Now you have to download latest version of iPadOS for your device, which is also called firmware. There are 2 ways to download the firmware. The first option is downloading through the software. If you click on download, the firmware will start downloading automatically. And the second option is downloading the firmware through a browser. In order to download the firmware through browser, click on this link, then open up your favorite browser. Right click and click on paste and go, which will start downloading the firmware automatically, as you can see. So I'm going to cancel it because I already downloaded the firmware. So I'm going to add the firmware by clicking on the second link. After adding the firmware, wait for the software to recognize it. Once your firmware is added, click on unlock now, click continue, and now wait for the software to reset your iPad without passcode. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know which one of these methods were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. Once the resetting process is completed, you will see the screen, so just close it, and also close the software because you no longer need it. And on the other side, wait for your iPad to restart. Once it's restarted, now select your language, select your country, and go through this setup process. If you want to set up Touch ID, you can do so, but I am going to do it later. I'm gonna say no. And now you can choose a new passcode for your iPad. After selecting a new passcode, if you want to transfer your data, you can do so, but I'm not going to do it. Next, you need to sign into your Apple ID. If you don't want to sign into your Apple ID, tap on this forgot passcode, then tap on setup later. So I'm just gonna quickly sign into my Apple ID. After setting up your iPad, you will see the screen. So just tap on get started, and boom, you will have an unlocked iPad. And now you can unlock this iPad with your own passcode. See? Okay, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is using forgot passcode option. For this method to work, you don't need a computer, but there are some requirements. Number 1, your iPad must be connected to internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. And number 2, you must be using Apple ID on your iPad. If you meet these requirements, then this method will work. If not, then you can try the first method or the last method depending on your preferences. Now let me show you how this method works. Okay, first of all, input wrong password several times. Then you will see this forgot passcode option. Tap on it. Then select Start iPad Reset. Type your Apple ID password to sign out. Next, tap on Erase iPad. And then wait for your device to restart. Once your iPad is restarted, everything on your iPad will be erased, including the lock screen passcode. Once your iPad is restarted, you will see this hello screen. Just swipe up. Again, select your language, select your country, and go through this setup process. You can set up Touch ID or Face ID. You can do so, but I'm going to do it later. And now you can choose a new passcode for your iPad. After that, if you want to transfer your apps and data from other device, you can do so, but I'm not going to do it. Next, if you want to sign into your Apple account, just tap your Apple ID here. Tap on continue. Tap your Apple ID password. Then tap on continue again. Verify your Apple ID. And then wait for this login process to complete. After going through the entire setup process, you will see the screen. So just tap on get started and boom, you will have an unlocked iPad just like this. Now you can unlock this iPad using your own passcode if you have set up any. Our third and last method is using iCloud to reset an iPad without passcode. For this method to work, there are three requirements. Number one, again, you must be using Apple ID on your iPad. Number two, your iPad must be connected to internet. And number three, Find My device must be turned on. Okay, first of all, open up your favorite browser. Then go to iCloud.com. Then click on sign in and sign in with the same Apple ID that is being used on your iPad. After signing into iCloud, scroll down, click on Find My, which will open up this map. Basically, this trick is used to find lost or stolen Apple devices, but with this trick, you can also reset your iPad without password. To do that, select your iPad, then click on Erase this device. Basically, what we are doing is we are erasing iPad passcode remotely. So just click on Next. Verify your Apple ID by entering the password. If you want to add a message, this message will show up on your iPad's lock screen. It's optional. If you want to add, you can do so, but I'm not going to do that. Now all you have to do is click on this erase option and then wait for iCloud to erase your iPad remotely. On your computer, you will see this message saying erasing iPad is started. And on the other hand, wait for your iPad to restart. Once your iPad is restarted, now again all you have to do is set up your iPad as if it's brand new. So I'm just gonna speed up this setup process because it's very time consuming. After going through the boring setup process, you will have an unlocked iPad just like this. See? So there you have it, guys. That is how you can reset an iPad without passcode. Please let me know which one of these options were helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.